Which of the following set is a convex here? In the first option, xy, x square plus y square is greater than or equal to 1 here. So obviously it is a circle here of radius 1 unit here. So radius of it is a circle of radius 1 here, and greater than means the points are outside the circle here. Points are outside the circle. So if you take 2 points here and here, join it here. So then this portion not here. Okay, so this portion not in this shaded region here. Yes, it is not a convex set here. It is not a convex set. Okay, the line not completely in line in the shaded region here. Hence, it is not a convex set here. So in the second case here, 2x square plus 5y square is less than or equal to 3. It is the equation of ellipse here. So it is x square divided by 3 by 2 here. Then plus y square divided by 3 divided by 5 is equal to 1 here. So therefore this is a ellipse here. And here it is a less than. Less than means this region here. So you choose any point here. Then complete the line lies inside that shaded region here. Hence it is a convex set here. Suppose if you take a third option here, again x square plus y square is equal to 4 and x square plus y square equal to 7 here. So one circle here, here it is a circle, it's a equation x square plus y square is equal to 7 here, and the radius of this circle is root of 7. Can write here root 7 square here. Yes, the radius of this circle is the root of 7 here. And one more circle here, sorry, it's a radius take here 4. Then you can take here this 2 square. So this is a circle of radius 2 units here. Take one more circle here. Its equation is x square plus y square is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 7 means root 7 square here. Therefore, its radius is root of 7. Radius of this circle is root 7 here. Therefore, here more than 4, less than 7 means here is the shaded region here. So again, if you take 2 points here and join it here, again this portion not in the shaded region. This portion not in the shaded region. Hence, it is not a convex set here. Even here also. In the first case, x square plus y square 5. So radius of the circle is 5 units. And x square plus y square equal to 13 means radius of this circle is 13. Again, x square plus y square in between 5 and 13 means this is shaded here. And in this case also, the complete line not lies in the shaded region here. Hence, it is also not a convex set here. Only this one is a convex set because if you take 2 points here in the shaded region and join it here, then complete line lies in that shaded region. Hence, it is a convex set here. So 37th one here. The optimal value of the objective function is attained at the points first option on x-axis, second on y-axis, third which are at the corner points of the feasible region, and the fourth one which are at the points of the intersection of the inequation with the y-axis here. According to the theorem, here C is the correct option here. C is the correct option. So optimal value obtained only at the corner points of the feasible region here. So this theorem is there. So according to theorem, C is the correct option. So 38th question here. The solution set of the inequality x greater than or equal to 0 is first option here, half plane on the left of y-axis. Second option, half plane on the right of y-axis including y-axis. Third option, half plane on the right of y-axis excluding y-axis. And fourth one here, half plane on the left of right of y axis above x axis here. Here x greater than or equal to 0. So if you take here x axis and y axis here, x greater than means here this side. Here all these values are greater means complete this region here. Complete this region means it is the right of y axis here. Right of y axis and equal to sign is there. Equal to sign means even each point lies on the y axis also included here. Yes, including y axis. So B is the correct option here. In the 39th here, the solution set of inequality x greater than or equal to 0 and y less than or equal to 0 is then in this case x greater than means this values here and y less than means these values. X greater than 0, y less than 0 means here this one. So obviously it is a fourth quadrant here. So D is the correct option, fourth quadrant. So the region represented by the inequalities x greater than or equal to 6, y greater than or is equal to 3, 2x plus y greater than or equal to 10, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 is first option is unbounded, second one polygon, third option bounded region, and the fourth one exterior of a triangle. In this case here this is x axis here and y axis. So x greater than or is equal to 6 here, a line parallel to y axis here. So this line, take care, x equal to 6. Then y is equal to 3, a line parallel to x axis here. So y is equal to 3 here. And 2x plus y is equal to 10 means when y is 0, x equal to 5 here. So this part here, take 5 comma 0. And when x is 0, y is equal to 10, take this part here, 0 comma 10, then join it here. Therefore equation of this line is 2x plus y is equal to 10. Here just observe here, all the inequalities are greater than sign here. Greater than means shading is above line here. So this line, if you take this line, shading above the line. If you take this line, again shading is this side. If you take this line, shading is this one. So all the shadings are this side only. Therefore here all the shadings meet at this region here. This line shading as well as this line shading meet here. Hence it is said to be feasible region here. It is said to be feasible region. But this feasible region is not a finite here. It is infinite. You can extend like this here. It is not a finite here. You can extend anywhere. Okay. Therefore, it is said to be unbounded here. Unbounded feasible region. Yes, first option is correct here. It never ends. It never ends. Hence, that feasible region is said to be unbounded. First option is correct. So the feasible region of an LPP is always first option is a closed set. Second option an unbounded set. Third one bounded set, and fourth one is a convex set here. In this case, fourth one is correct here. Feasible region of an LPP always a convex set here. Convex set means you take any point in that region here, then join it here, then a complete line lies within that region only. Then it is said to be convex set here. Therefore, feasible region always a convex set here. Okay. The minimum value of the linear objective function that equal to 5x plus 2y subject to 10x plus 2y greater than or equal to 20, 5x plus 5y is greater than or equal to 30, x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0. In this case, you can divide this equation by 2 here. If you divide both sides by 2, we get here 5x plus y is greater than or equal to 10 here. Divide this equation by 2 here. And here divide this equation by 5. Therefore, x plus y is greater than r is equal to 3 15 means 6 okay. Dividing both sides by 5, we get x plus y greater than or equal to 6 here. Here sir, if you draw the diagram here is the x-axis and y-axis here. So put y is equal to 0. Then 5x is equal to 10. 5 1s are 5 2s are. Hence it is 2, 0. Substitute x equal to 0. Y is equal to 10 here. This part here. 0, 10. Then join it here. So equation of this line. Here. So 5x plus y is greater than or equal to 10. Then here put y 0 here. X equal to 6 means this one. So 6 0. Then put x equal to 0. Y is equal to 6 here. Hence it is 0, 6 join it here. Therefore equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 6 here, and both are greater than means the shading is that side here. So therefore both the shadings meet at this region here. So this is said to be feasible region here. Then you find this coordinate point also. So solving means subtracting here. So subtracting here. Okay, and here take equal to sign here. Compulsory you have to take equal to sign. Subtracting here, plus y minus y get cancels. 5x minus x becomes 4x here. 10 minus 6 becomes 4. 4 and 4 cancels, x is equal to 1 here. Put x equal to 1 in the second equation. So 1 plus y is equal to 6. Hence y is equal to 5 here. Hence this point of contact is 1, 5. 1, 5. Therefore, corner points of the feasible region are 6, 0. Then 1, 5. 1, 5 and 0, 10 here. Because the objective function occur only at the corner points here. So these are the corner points of the feasible region here. So use the objective function here. Z equal to, put x equal to 6 here. 6 5s are 30 here. And this is a 0. Z equal to 30 here. Then put x equal to 1 and y is equal to 5 here. So z equal to, so 5 plus 5 2s are 10 here is equal to 15. And here put x equal to 0. Put x is a 0 and y is equal to 10 here. 10 2s are 20 here. It is a 20. Here we want a minimum value here. So minimum value is a 15 here. So B is the correct option. The shaded region in the following figure is the solution set of the in equations here. Okay, 4 options are there, and they are given the diagram here. This is a given diagram. So which option is correct here? So obviously here 6, 0 means equation of this line is x equal to 6 here. And here the coordinate of point 0, 4, a line parallel to x-axis here. Obviously the equation is y is equal to 4 here. And here this is a line passing through 0, 5 and 4, 0 here. So obviously 5x plus 4y. So its equation is 5x plus 4y is equal to 20 here. Okay, here just observe here. Here shading is this side here. Okay, shading is this side. So the line x equal to 6 having a shading left side here. Then obviously here x less than or equal to 6 here. Next this is a line here and the shading is below to this line. So obviously here again y less than or equal to 4 here. And this is the line here, shading is on this side here, above the line. Above the line means 5x plus 4y. 5x plus 4y is greater than or is equal to 20. Greater than or equal to 20. Therefore, just observe option B here. 5x plus 4y is greater than or equal to 20. X less than or equal to 6. Y less than or equal to 4 here. Yes, option B is correct here. Okay, so there was a mistake here. Therefore, x greater than or equal to 6 you take here, not less than x greater than or equal to 6 because here if take less than here, so second and fourth option both are same here. So here it is x greater than or equal to 6 here. The shaded region in the following figure is the solution set of the inequations here. So they given this diagram here, then which is the correct option here. Okay. Here 3x plus y is equal to 9 is there. So this is the line here. 3x plus y is equal to 9 here. Because if you put x value 3 here and y value 0, 3 3s are 9 is equal to 9 here. The equation satisfied here. Then equation of this one here. Obviously x plus 2y is equal to 8 here because x value is 0 and y value is 4, 4 to the 8 here. Therefore, equation of this line is here. And both shadings are below here. This line shading is below, this line shading also below here. There's a 3x plus y. 3x plus y is less than or is equal to 9 here because the shading is below the line here. Even here also shading is below line, but here dotted line is there. Here it is a dotted line. Hence, here x plus 2y strictly less than 8 here. Strictly less than 8. Therefore, 3x plus y less than or equal to 9. X plus 2y less than 8 here. So, third option is correct here. Third option. The shaded region in the following figure is the solution set of the inequations here. 4 options are there and this is given diagram here. So just observe here is the line passing to the point 0, 3 and 6, 0. Then obviously the equation here, equation of this line. Okay, equation of this line is x plus 2y is equal to 6 here. X plus 2y is equal to 6 here. The line passing through these 2 points here. Hence, equation of this line passing through 0, 5 and 3, 0 means 5x plus 3y equal to 15. Equation of this line is 5x plus 3y is equal to 15. This is a line parallel to x-axis here. Therefore, passing through 0, 6 here. Hence, its equation is y is equal to 6. The line passing through 7, 0 means equation of this line is y x equal to 7 here. X equal to 7. Here both are in this case here the line shading is below here. Okay, this side. Therefore, here y is less than or equal to 6 here. And this is the line shading is this side here. In this case, x less than or equal to 7. X less than or is equal to 7 here. And here this line shading is above. Above means greater than x plus 2y. X plus 2y is greater than or equal to 6. Even here also, this is a line shading is above here. Even 5x plus 3y greater than or equal to 15. 5x plus 3y is greater than or is equal to 15 here. Then observe x plus 2y greater than or equal to 6. 5x plus 3y greater than or equal to 15. X less than or equal to 7. Y less than or equal to 6. So C correct option here. Again, the shaded region in the following figure is the solution set of the inequations. This is a given diagram here. In this case, here is the line here. The line passing through these 2 points here. Here y coordinates are same here. Y coordinates are same. Hence, the equation of this line is y is equal to 2. Here, this is the line passing through these 2 points here. Here x coordinates are same here, 4 and 4. So equation of this line is x is equal to 4 here. And the equation of this line is this here, x plus y equal to 5. Okay, equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 5. With that observe here, the line shading is this side. Okay, therefore x greater than or equal to 4 here. The line shading below here, below shading. Therefore y is less than or is equal to 2 here. And here is the line shading is this side here, above. Therefore x plus y, x plus y is greater than or is equal to 5, greater than or equal to 5. Okay, therefore in this case first option is correct, x plus y greater than or equal to 5, x greater than or equal to 4, y less than or equal to 2 here. Yes, first option is the correct here. Okay, first one, the correct option is. So here maximum value of z equal to 3x plus 2y such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, 0 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 3, x plus y less than or equal to 5, 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4 here. So here x axis and y axis here, it is the origin here. So here x equal to 3 here, a line parallel to y axis here. So this is a line, x is equal to 3. Then y is equal to 3 is a line parallel to x axis here, y is equal to 3. Then x, if you put y equal to 0, x equal to 5, therefore somewhere here it is a 5 0, and put x 0, y is equal to 5 means here 5 0, then this is the line. Okay, here in this case 6 3. Okay, here take the point here 0, 5 here, then join it here. Therefore equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 5, and here put y 0, then 2x equal to 4 means x equal to 2 here, this point, and put x equal to 0, y is equal to 4 means this point here 0 4. Yes sir, then it here. So equation of this line, that is a 2x plus y is equal to 4 here. Here x less than 3 means shading is this side here, this side, and y less than 3 shading is below, and x plus y less than 5 means shading is this side here, the line shading below here, and here it is a greater than means shading is above, means here is the feasible region here. So this is a feasible region. Okay, so one point is 0, 2 here, so 0 2. The other point is this one, the line x equal to 3 means 3, 0, so 3 0, and here point at this point as well as this point here. Okay, in this case this put x equal to 3 in this equation, put x equal to 3 here, then y is equal to 2, so its coordinate is 3, 2 here, because x equal to 3 is there. This line means the point of intersection of this line and this line here. Put x equal to 3 here, therefore 5 minus 3 becomes 2, y value is 2 here, means the coordinate of this point is 3 2, so 3, 2 here. Actually it is not 0 2 here, it is 2, 0, 2 0 here, therefore here it is 2 0. Okay, then this is a point of intersection of this line as well as this line here. So here y is equal to 3, put y is equal to 3 here, therefore 5 minus 3 becomes 2, x equal to 2 here, therefore 2, 3 here, 2, 3, and y is 3 here, then x becomes 2. So its coordinate is 2, 3. Next, here is the point of intersection of this line and this line here. Here the equation is y equal to 3 here. Substitute here. Put y is equal to 3. 4 minus 3 gives 1. Then x equal to 1 by 2 here. Hence the coordinate of point is 1 by 2, 3 here. Therefore 3, 2, 2, 3 and 1 by 2, 3. These are the corner points of the feasible region here. So using this objective function here, so z equal to x value is 2 here, therefore 3 2s are 6 and y is 0 here, so z equal to 6 here. And here put x equal to 3 here, 3 into 3 becomes 9 and y is 0. And in the third case, so x is 3, 3 into 3 becomes 9 here, plus 2 into 2 becomes 4. So 9 plus 4 becomes 13 here. And here z equal to, put x value to here, 3 2s are 6, put y is equal to 3, 3 2s are 6 here, 6 plus 6 becomes 12. Then put x equal to 1 by 2 here, so it is 3 by 2, z equal to 3 by 2 plus, and y is 2 here, 3 2s are 6 here. Here LCM is 2 here, therefore the 3 plus 6 2s are 12 here. 12 plus 3 becomes 15, 15 divided by 2 here. 15 by 2 means 7.5. Among these numbers here, maximum value is 13 here. Therefore, the answer is the maximum value of a linear objective function z equal to 40x plus 50y subject to. So, two constants are there. Therefore, take here x axis and y axis here. Put y 0 here. 3x equal to 9 means 3 3s are 9, x equal to 3 means here 3 0. Put x 0, y is equal to 9 here, 0 9. Put y 0, x equal to 8 here, 8 0 here, 10 here. Then put x 0, y is equal to 8 means 2 1s are 2 4s are, so 0, 4 here, join it here. And both are less than means shading is below. Okay. Then solving these equations here. In this case, multiply first equation by 2 here. 3 2s are 6 plus 2y. 9 2s are 18 here. Then x plus 2y is equal to 8. Change the sign here. Plus 2y minus 2y cancels. 6x minus x is 5x here. 10, 18 minus 8 becomes 10. So x equal to 12. Put x is equal to 2 in the first equation here. Therefore 3 2s are 6. 6 plus y is equal to 9 here. Put x equal to 2 here. 3 2s are 6 plus y equal to 9. Hence y is equal to 9 minus 6 becomes 3. Hence it's a coordinate here 2, 3. 2, 3. Therefore 3 0, 2 3 and 0 4 are the corner points here. So when it is the 3 0 here, substitute here. Therefore z equal to here 40 into 3 120 and this becomes a 0 here, y is a 0. Then take a pointer 2, 3 here. And the pointer 2 3. So 40 into 2 gives 80 here. And 50 into 3 150. 150 plus 80 how much here? 230 here. And the pointer 0 4 here. 0 4. X is a 0. This is a 0 here. And put y 4 here. 54 are 100 here. So Z is equal to 100. Here we want the maximum value. Here maximum value is 230. Therefore D is the correct option. 230 is the answer.